Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica retained their Netball Jamaica Major League title after edging upsetters A by 1 goal in a thrilling finale at the Leela Robinson Courts on Saturday night, and will have a comprehensive roundup in Primetime Sports Monday. And despite failing to win a game, the Jamaica Maroon Club finished 4th in the 8-team Floorball tournament at the University of Cambridge in Canada. The 16-member Jamaica Maroon lost all 4 of their encounters, the first 2 games on Saturday's opening day and their 3rd game on Sunday. Despite that, they did get an opportunity to play for 3rd with the best goal difference among the losers, but they still ended up losing that encounter to finish 4th in the 8-team tournament. They will return to the island on Monday. Let's go to another break then. We'll be back to wrap it all up.